Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I just received another package in the mail today, and I'm very excited about this one. This thing ought to be pretty cool. And we're going to open it up together, take a look, see what's in here. And as you guys know, I don't spend a whole lot of money on premium type of bullion, but every once in a while I open up that pocketbook and stretch it out a little bit and get something that's pretty cool. And I think this is one of those times. So I'm anxious to get in there. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this thing open and see what is in here. I need to cut it here, and I have to tell you, this is a international package. This did not come from the US, so I waited quite a while for it. I considered not ordering it when I found out it was coming from Europe. It scared me off a little bit because, you just never know. But I did get it off eBay, and eBay does have some guarantees on their site, so I figured, they'd take care of me if something wasn't right. And the buyer had a pretty good rating too, so let's see if I can get this thing open here. I misplaced my pocket knife somewhere. I don't know what happened to it. So a pocket knife would be much easier to use than a pair of scissors, that's for sure. Just gotta get this one open. Alright, here we go. Finally. Take a peek inside. See if there's an invoice. There is a lot of packaging peanuts. I can see those. So, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Move these out of the way. I do not see an invoice. But I do see something here on the bottom. Can you see it? Ooh, you see a little flashy color down there? Oh, I've been waiting so long for this thing. It seems like it's been months. It's been a couple weeks. Alright, let's pull this thing out and see what we have. Again, one of the few things that I like to buy that has a premium. So here we go, folks. Ready? It is my first ever Geiger Gold. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Thing is beautiful. Let's admire this for a moment. Let's flip it over. We got the security on it. In fact, let me hold it right here. And zoom in on it. Ah, there we go. Look at that. 5 grams of 999.9 gold. It came right from Germany, folks. Geiger's in Germany. And this was shipped from Germany. Look at that. Sorry, my camera stand is getting in the way of... Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? So 5 grams would be in between a tenth and a quarter. So a tenth would obviously be 3.1 grams. And a quarter ounce would be 7.78 grams. So it's right in between a tenth and a quarter. But isn't that beautiful? If you notice, this is their certificate. Can you see the certificate up at the top? So it's sealed in the original certificate that was put out by Geiger, by the Geiger Mint. 5.5 grams, or sorry, 5 grams fine gold, 999.9. So let's do this. Why don't we try to put it underneath the bar cam and see what we have. I'm going to put it there. And I'm going to click on my bar camera. Oh, there we go. Look at that, huh? Woo! She is a beauty. Look at that. 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 Look Try to get it focused in there. Wow. Is that a nice piece of gold or what? Whew. And let me flip it over. Let's take a look at the serial number. So the certificate, it's got the security features on it with the black light symbol on there, and you can see the serial number is also in the same blue ink. And we move it up a little bit, 5 grams, AU, which is, you know, is the symbol for gold, AU 999.9. Is that thing nice or what? Whew, I love it. And I believe it has a reeded edge. Can we see the edge in there? Yep, you can see that it's reeded. Look at the, if you look along the top there, can you see the reeds? So yeah, just a fantastic buy for sure. You can see the reeded edges pretty well there too. Let's see if I can get in focus a little bit better. There we go. It's something on the outside case, but yeah, this is sealed up. It's in a sealed case. Let me go back to the main scene here and bring this back into view. You can see here it's sealed up. I'm not sure if it's locked in there. It looks pretty good. It's almost like a graded coin. These appear to be locked in there pretty well. Here you can get a look at the reeded edge there. You can see it. So yeah, each side appears to have a nice locking tab in there. I'm sure you could get it open if you tried hard, but I'm not interested in opening it up. I'm going to keep it in its original certificate. It's a Geiger original, as you can see, made in Germany. Oh man, how close can I get this before it gets blurry on me? Just in love with this piece of gold. First Geiger gold ever. If you guys go out there and look at Geiger gold, it's pretty expensive. They definitely have a premium. Let's look at that back one more time. There's a certificate. You can see the serial number right there. And you can see weight, fineness, production manager. I assume that's what the words in German up above mean. 5 grams of gold, 99.9 fineness. And the production manager assigned it. So let me tell you guys about how I purchased this. So eBay bucks, as you guys know, come up at the end of the quarter. So you have to buy for 3 months off eBay. And then whatever you've accumulated in eBay bucks, they give you a coupon code at the end of the quarter. And you usually have about 30 days to spend it. So I got my eBay bucks for the end of June. And so I had most of July to spend it. And what you try to do usually when you have your eBay bucks is you try to wait for another eBay bucks to come out so you get eBay bucks on top of eBay bucks. I waited and waited, and it got towards the end of the month. It was still a week or so away. And I was really trying to, wait for another eBay bucks, but I saw this. I only had one left. So I can get it without that reflection. Let me move my camera over, see if that's any better. No, not really. We're still seeing the thing from above. So I waited, decided to go ahead and purchase it, and then of course 2 days after I bought it, I got an eBay bucks coupon for 8%. But that's okay. I mean, just like buying gold and silver at a certain price per ounce, you sit there and you wait, and you end up only saving a couple bucks or a couple cents, really, most of the time. So trying to play that wait for it to go lower game. After a while, you just need to get what you want. So yeah, so I used my eBay bucks, which was, oh gosh, I don't remember. It was just under $100, I think. So I was able to apply $100 towards this purchase, and it brought it down, obviously, quite a bit below spot. So this was a really cool purchase. And it was a great thing to use eBay bucks on. Now normally if this was out there without eBay bucks, without any kind of discounts, I mean, I may have still bought it, but you know, it's got quite a premium on it. So, you know, you could get gold and a piece of gold same size and probably a couple ounces of silver. I don't know. I honestly, I bought it so long ago, at least 2 weeks ago. I don't remember the exact price. I could look it up. I don't have my laptop in front of me, but let me just tell you, with the eBay bucks, I got a good deal on it. So we'll just go there. And so there you go. What do you guys think? A 5-gram Geiger bar. Gold Geiger bar. So if I take 31.1 and I divide by 5, that works out to 6.22. So that's how many of these it would take to make an ounce. If it would take 6.22 of these to make an ounce. So it's in between a tenth and a quarter. That's what I'm trying to say. I was just trying to figure out the exact fraction on it, but not important. The important thing is we've got ourselves a beauty here. Look at that thing. Sorry everyone, I know I'm kind of going on and on about it, but this is a real treasure to hold. This is really cool. Alright, well thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that. And also, go ahead and hit that notification button. I plan to have a lot more videos. And finally, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. I got some great content out there. I think you'll really appreciate it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.